Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's been a while since we put out a cocktail and you'd think, well, it's summertime, it's time to drink cocktails. Well, my apologies, we've been out on boat drinking cocktails, so we haven't had a time to make videos. Now we're gonna make you a cocktail, and today's cocktail is called the Cointreau Kiss. Hope you enjoy it. If you like what you see, leave us a comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, let us know. Well, let's get pouring. It's a nice, easy cocktail to make. We're going to start first off with our glass. And this is a drink that we're making in the glass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by rimming it. So I'm going to take a little bit of orange, rim half of the glass, and I've got some cane sugar, and turbinado sugar actually, and I am going to put that on half of the rim of the glass. So that's our first garnish on there. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to put in 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. You know the drill, folks. We're using fresh because fresh is best. That's going to go in there. Next, we are going to use 1 ounce of a Blanco Tequila. And today we're using Milagro. And I got to tell you, folks, I think for a Blanco Tequila, the Milagro is pretty cost efficient and it tastes darn good. Next, we are going to put in there 2 ounces of Cointreau. Now, Cointreau is an orange liqueur, and there's a lot of different orange liqueurs out there. You've got Cointreau, you've got Grand Marnier, you've got Triple Sec. They're all a little bit different. Next, we are going to throw in there some crushed ice. And then finally, we're going to top it off with a little bit of soda water. Give that a quick stir. Nice, easy stir. And then finally, we are going to take and garnish with a slice of orange. And there is the Cointreau Kiss. I like it. What about you?
I'd like the sugar side, please.
You like the sugar side. And once again, sugar on half, sugar on not. That way you can decide how sweet it is. What? You wait. You heard it, folks. She likes it.
That looks like a breakfast drink.
Orange juice. It's not just for breakfast anymore. Thanks for joining us, folks. We'll see you next week.